What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here in the big bowl at Alamosa and I want to do a review on these Santa Cruz SlimeBalls. Some beautiful epic looking wheels, 60mm 97A. They're called Santa Cruz SlimeBalls, SlimeBall Vomits, and the colors are really what attracted me. I guess these are some OG wheels. I didn't hear about them until, since I saw them on Amazon and I thought they looked freaking amazing. So I want to try them out. I'm gonna just do some carves in the bowl and see how they feel, and hopefully they are really good, as good as they look. Hope you guys enjoy. These wheels look sick. Got the new SlimeBall Vomits Santa Cruz's set up, and these look amazing. I really like the way these look. They're a little bit smaller than the other wheels, but man, don't they feel like they match this board? If this board was green and blue, this would be a dirty setup. Man, some beautiful wheels. Alright, let's do first ride and see how they feel. A lot different. Okay. These wheels are a lot different. A lot different, these wheels. I didn't expect them to have that feel. They feel super fast and smooth, but not like smooth like those soft wheels that I had. I thought these were gonna be soft wheels. They look like soft wheels, but, and it's weird, it's hard to explain it. They skate like soft wheels, but they skate like park wheels. They're like, I don't know if you could hear it, they're like hard. When I'm riding on the transition, I could feel the concrete a lot more, and it's so hard to explain. They feel really good. It definitely feels like I'm going a lot faster. It feels like I'm going faster when I'm onto the transition, being on the wall and doing the carves. It feels a lot better. It feels really good. I like these wheels. These wheels are amazing. These are so good. They're the type of consistency though that can flat spot. That's the type of hard consistency that I'm talking about. Like you could feel it, or you could hear it. Versus the other ones that are very, very soft, very gel. I feel like it's weird. I feel like those ones help me a lot in the street, like when I'm riding those bigger wheels on chunky street with a lot of like pebbles, rocks and everything. It goes through it like a truck off-roading in 4x4. But in here, I felt like it gave me speed. But now that I'm using these ones, I feel like it was also holding me back. Like I'm not going as fast as I am with these ones. I think. And maybe because it's like the hard park type of wheels, maybe. I don't know. Well, they're called speed wheels, Santa Cruz. So they definitely do give you some more speed. They feel great. And I like them a lot. So I'm just gonna keep doing some kick turns and have some fun with them. Holy crap. Holy crap, I think I figured it out. So, damn, I think I figured out how to carve. Maybe. I'm excited. So, I noticed if you pump on the wall, let's see, right here you pump, you go up. As you're going right here, you bend your knees down, and it like sticks you to the transition again, so you're able to stay and keep going. Watch. Let me know if you can see me doing that. I just figured it out. It's awesome. A little bit too fast. Alright, I think I'm starting to I think I'm starting to learn how to do it now. I feel so much comfortable front side now. I used to be comfortable doing backside, but heck no. I can't do it as good. I need to work on that. But I'm really low in the transition, and obviously in this huge bowl, it kind of looks like that too. If it was like a 6 feet bowl, these carbs would be pretty good, I think. Still good. Man, they feel so good. I'm actually learning how to do it now. Pumping on the walls, and to keep your speed, and even looping around that ring right there. Let me see, you can't see it because of the sun. Looping around this ring just in a quick circle. Like, I've learned a lot from watching other people's skate bowls and seeing how they loop around, you know, go around the walls like that. Whenever I skated bowls or transition, I just did kick turns on the walls because mainly as a kid, if I skated transition, it was just a quarter pipe or a half pipe. I did not skate bowls, one, because there's no bowls here in Albuquerque besides this huge ass one and this other one at Los Altos that if you've never seen before, you can go back in my earlier videos, or you could just wait and see it in the future. I'm probably gonna go there this weekend because I'm really wanting to skate bowls and get into the bowl scene and all that in this transition. So yeah, that's where I'm at. This is today's video. These new wheels are amazing. I love them. I think that they're the best wheels that I've ever skated so far. Only one day, but I guess it's love at first sight. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. God bless.